out there shouting for me, man. Bring it through all that. Bring it through them bumblebees. 131, standing by.
5-1 in Virginia, 131. Good afternoon out there, 5-1 Virginia. If I can get through the bumblebees. Hello, 131 Mustang Radio, 5-1 Virginia. Hey, 131, I can't get through the bumblebees. 51 Virginia on the mail.
Big old can of Raid. You always running a big old can of Raid, so I don't think you ever have any problems. Holding that good sounding modulation. Receiver, come on.
Hey, 131, yeah, needed 2 cans of Raid today, 5-1 Virginia.
Yeah, that's for sure, man. That's for sure. You gotta keep everything in check, man. You gotta keep everything in line and keep everything in duck luck in check. Take care of them ducks every now and again too, man. You don't want them getting too fat out here. But man, they sound good like you always are, man. Like I always say, you're rumbling the lows in my cloth headphones. Come on. Joe, I wonder if you noticed anything, man. I changed things around just a little bit. I don't know if you noticed any difference in my audio, but I did change things around just a wee bit. Wonder if how it sounded on your end. If you noticed any difference or not, I kind of eliminated a lot of the high-end compression there. And I was wondering if it still can hear those highs rolling on in. Come on.
Trophy Grinder. Hey, if you got any kind of a sloppy to Trophy Grinder. Motormouth Mall. The West Coast Beast women.
Yeah, just trying it out. Just trying something a little low, a little smoother, with a little less high-end, a little less high-end gain, you know, adding a whole lot of compression, above about 5K up to 8K, and yeah, I heard a couple hi-fi gates, which it didn't sound all that good, so I kind of backed it on down just a wee bit, and I don't know if you noticeable. I know you got a good hi-fi receiver, so I don't know, man. You know, it always looks good over here, but who the heck knows on the other end? I know you got a good ear. Come on.
Well, the Grinder must not have a grip on Motormouth Mall. I think a 131 Mustang must have it locked up right about this 1036. Radio station Motormouth Mall, the West Coast Beast. Got down right there, Ray.
Good evening, Motormouth Mall, 51 Virginia. Motormouth Mall, 5-1 Virginia with a wait. Do what? Alright, Mobile.
Copy that, all right. But I don't want to be tying this thing up for too long. I'm going to gain up a little bit, blow up in the process. Love to turn up just a wee bit. Yeah, you can keep on messing around with this stuff, man. Or it ain't a hobby. We ain't amateurs out here, we're professionals, so we're always experimenting. Hey, Joe, fresh your ear, man. I'm going to put it back to the side just a wee bit. 131, getting down.
Good. And Radio 404, Joe's Grinder. Radio station Motormouth Mall. With this balls to the wall audio I got down. How am I doing now, Breaker?
131, 26.5, Virginia with a wave.